Good morning kabayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mia Rosa 2, Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas para i-feature yung ready for occupancy unit na nasa likod natin na selling at 8.4 million. Meron itong lot area na 130 square meters at floor area na 78 square meters. Tara! So ito kabayan ay merong carport kabayan. Pwede ito sa dalawang sasakyan pero kung ang gamit natin, ang sasakyan natin ay SUV, no, pwede lang ito sa isang sasakyan. And this is space kabayan, this will be our provision for future expansion. So pwede natin upon turnover, magpalagay tayo ng gate dyan or pwede natin ito ipa-landscape. And this is our pedestrian for our main door. So punta muna tayo dito sa gilid kabayan. Ito yung ating gilid dito. Dito na yung ating lanay area. And sa lanay area, we have our sliding door. And so, upon turnover kabayan, pwede tayong magpalagay dito ng roofing para may shade tayo dito sa ating lanay area. Pasukin natin ang loob ng bahay. Ito yung ating magiging main door. Dito sa pagpasok kabayan, this is an open layout. Our flooring is 60 by 60 granite tiles. Itong ating mga walls kabayan, this is painted na. Ang ating mga windows is sliding window. Makita natin even dito, sliding window. And this is our sliding door going to our lanay area, kabayan. And ito yung ating magiging storage area. Yan, maliit na storage area. So dito kabayan, ito yung ating magiging living area and dining area. And let's go to the kitchen area. Ito ang ating kitchen area. So this is a complete unit turnover. Yan, ito yung ating sink. Yan, this will be our under cabinet. And itong space na to kabayan, ito yung ating magiging laundry area. Yan. Ito yung pintong to. Ito yung pinto natin galing sa parking. So, para kung galing tayo ng wet market, yung pinamili natin, pwede natin i-diretso na dito. And this will be our powder room ng ground floor. Akitin naman natin ang taas. So sa second floor kabayan, ito yung ating stairs. This is a concrete stairs and this is our handrails. Dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So mag-start muna tayo sa flooring. Nakatiles na yung flooring natin and ito yung ating 3 bedrooms. Kung makikita na yung kabayan, ito ay painted na and with ceiling. So let's start with our common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. This is our common toilet and bath sa second floor. And this will be our bedroom number 1. Our bedroom number 1, we have the sliding window and the provision for window type aircon. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. Now, this will be our bedroom number 2. So same with bedroom number 1, sliding window, provision for window type aircon. Let's go to the bedroom number 3. So ito yung ating magiging bedroom number 3 or pwede natin gawing master's bedroom. No? Medyo ito yung pinakamalaki sa tatlong rooms kabayan. We have provision for window type aircon. Naka-tiles na rin yan. Painted na with ceiling and meron itong sariling toilet and bath. Yan, yung ating kagandahan dito sa bedroom number 3 is meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Let's go kabayan. So ito yung isa pa sa pwede na ipakita sa inyo, yung balcony. Yan. Ito yung ating balcony. This will be our balcony area ng may accessible sa lahat ng rooms. Makita natin yung buong community ng Mia Rosa 2. Ayan. So napakaganda ng community dito kabayan ng Mia Rosa 2 in Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas. Yan. So kung interested kayo kabayan, let's have a recap. Ang lot area nito is 130 square meters. The floor area is 78 square meters and selling ito at 8.4 million. So this is ready for occupancy kabayan. Kung nakita nyo, this is the actual unit. So kung interested kayo with this property, pwede to inquire, mag-message kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo. By the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!